Which element is represented by the symbol AU? A. Gold. B. Silver. C. Aluminum. Okay, ready?
Let's go!
What is the chemical symbol for water? A. H2O. B. HO. C. H2. Tama. A. H2O. Pang. Which substance is known as the king of chemicals? A. Sulfuric acid. B. Nitric acid. C. Hydrochloric acid.
C.
Mali. Ano? Which substance is known as the king of chemicals?
B.
Mali. Letter A. Sulfuric acid. So, which gas is essential for combustion? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Helium.
Helium.
Mali. Which gas is essential for combustion? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Helium.
Oh, oxygen.
Tama, oxygen.
Oxygen?
What is the atomic number of hydrogen? A1, B2, C5.
What?
Tama, letter A, 1. Which element is represented by the symbol AU? A. Gold. B. Silver. C. Aluminum.
Gold.
Tama, gold. Letter A. What type of bond is formed when electrons are shared? A. Ionic. B. Hydrogen. C. Covalent. Tama, C. Letter C. What is the pH value of a neutral substance? A5, B7, C9.
B.
Tama, B. Letter B. What is the main component of the air we breathe? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide.
B.
Tama, letter B. Nitrogen. What is the most abundant element in the universe? A. Carbon. B. Hydrogen. C. Oxygen.
B.
Tama, hydrogen. Which acid is found in vinegar? A. Acetic. B. Citric. C. Hydrochlor.
A.
Tama, A. Acetic. What is the charge of an electron? A. Positive. B. Negative. C. Neutral.
Ano? Negative.
Tama, negative.